Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Ace Trainer Archimedes, and today we're going to be looking at the newest Trainer's Toolkit that features Arceus V and Arceus V Star, as well as over 100 basic energy cards, 4 Pokemon TCG packs, 65 card sleeves, a deck builder's guide, 6 damage counters, competition legal coin flip die, 2 condition markers, a V-Star marker, and of course that TCG Live code card. So let's get into it and see what we got. So this is going to be ideal for anyone who is into building their own decks. It comes with a ton of essential cards that would be incredibly useful to anyone who is building decks. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. Let's see. How do we open you? I think the front flap here opens. Yep. All right. So, inside we have 100 energy cards. That'll be extremely useful when building your decks. Get the TCG code card. This is all of our trainers and our Arceuses. Let's open that up and see what we got. Man, these are incredibly difficult to open. The struggle is real. Wow. Okay, here we go. All right, so we got that Arceus V-Star promo. Beautiful etched card. And then we've got the Arceus V. Beautiful. 2 promos. Then we're just gonna go through this quickly. I like that they started including Scarlet and Violet cards in here. So we got Ultra Balls, Switch, Rare Candies, Professor's Research, both Sada and Turo, Pokegear, Palpad, Nest Balls, Jacques, Electric Generators, Beach Courts, Arvins, and then some goodies, classics, Thornton, Lost Vacuum, Trekking Shoes, Double Turbo Energies, Roxanne's Backup, or Roseanne's Backup, Irida, Hisuian Heavy Ball, Pickaxe, Magma Basin, Gardenias, Gloria, Dark Patch, Cynthia's, Charon's, and of course, Boss's Orders. So that's not bad. Let's check out these sleeves. You know, they're not terrible. I don't often use these. I prefer Dragon Shield sleeves, but in a pinch, maybe you're just building like a build and battle stadium. Those are good. Got some poison and burn markers here. Got some dice, damage counters. And I believe, let's see, a V-Star marker. We have 4 packs. Got a deck builder's guide. Let's see what packs we got. Paldea Evolved. And, oh wow. Why? Why would they give us Silver Tempest? Well, let's go from oldest to newest. So we'll do Silver Tempest first. There's the code card. And we'll do 4 from the back. Let's see if we can't get that alternate art Lugia V-Star. Or Lugia V rather. Regenerative Energy, Serena, Lopunny, Murkrow, Fennekin, Sandile, Snorunt, Noibat, Reverse Hollow Wailord, which is actually pretty good. Seeing a little bit of play right now. And a regular Hollow Medicham. Not too bad. I'll take it. Next up is Scarlet and Violet base set with Miraidon. The pack trick on these are a little different. There's your code card, and it's just one from the back. We got Water Energy, Sprigatito, Flittle, Viper, Houndour, Rocky Helmet, Mabostiff, Miriam. First reverse is a Magikarp, second reverse is a Magnemite, and a regular hollow Quaquaval. Nothing. Alright, all we have left is 2, and since we got Quaquaval, we'll go ahead and start with this one. There's your code card. One from behind. Energy. Grass. Combee. Jigglypuff. Girafarig. Tropius. Mismagius. Bramblegast. Superior Energy Retrieval. First reverse is a Tandemouse. Second reverse is a Tinkatuff. And a regular Spiritomb. Spiritomb's not too bad. It shuts down decks like Mew VMAX, and basically shuts down all basic V abilities just for being on the field, which is insanely good. Makes me think that they're trying to force out all the V Pokemon by making them basically garbage now, which makes sense. There's your code card. And one from the back is Fire Energy. Water. Got Water Energy, Shinx, Rookidee, Cute Pikachu, Slackoff, a Fletchinder, Vigoroth, Oranguru. First reverse is a Azumarill. Second reverse is that Pikachu again. And last but not least, a regular hollow Mimikyu. Alright guys, that's about the end of that box. I'll show you the 2 promos for the Arceus, which is probably some of the most valuable cards in this box. But there you have it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.